Ist das ihrs?
Ich habe ein Rezept dafür.
Ist deine Mutter immer noch nicht da?
Sie nimmt gerade ihre Medizin. Dadurch produziert der Körper neues, gesundes Blut. Aber in Amerika gibt es einen Arzt, der kann sie wieder gesund machen.
Don't touch me, okay?
Was ist denn los?
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have control of the plane.
Ist alles gut, Schatz?
We want this operation of ours to go off without a hitch. If not, use your imaginations.
Oh, mein Sohn.
What the hell?
Hast du Blut getrunken?
It's the only way to stop them. Or they're going to kill everyone on board. Wir schaffen das, versprochen.
They're turning.
She wants to get away from the sun. Let's give her some.
Das Böse ist in dir. Du kannst es nicht raus.
Whatever you've done, I know there is good inside you. Who am I? You are a gift. I know it's been difficult for you lately that you feel different from other kids. You are different. After your dad and I got married, we prayed for a baby for so long. One night, someone listened. Brandon? You are special. We believe that you came here for a reason. He was in the barn.
Did he find it?
No. It was like he was drawn to it.
He may look like us. He's not like us.
So Harlow is a ghost town.
We
have a vision for this place. All it needs is young blood.
I don't want to live here. This is a chance for people to start fresh somewhere. Somewhere safe. Hey guys, you should see this.
What are you doing in our house? You really shouldn't be here.
Oh my God.
This is Hardesty.
Sally, I'm afraid your old friend's back.
50 years I've been waiting for this night. Just to see him again.
Who?
Leatherface. Looks like it's you that he wants.
I'm not gonna let him kill you. Fear no evil. Fear no evil.
Try anything and you're canceled, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Growing up is worse than a near-death experience. I can confidently tell you that because 2 years ago, my babysitter and her friends tried to kill me. The worst part is nobody believes me. And now everybody thinks I'm crazy, but I miss her.
You're a weird little dude with a crush on a murderous, fictitious babysitter. We just gotta get you laid.
That's your advice?
That's what the just came out my mouth, ain't it?
Cole, you're my best friend. You're not crazy. It's this place. We're all going to the lake this weekend. Just come with me. I already took my dad's car. It's just you and me.
We're back!
Oh! Let's go, Cole! Oh, you okay? You look like you seen a gorgeous black ghost.
Don't worry, guys. I'm good.
Where's Sonia?
Getting cookies.
I watched you all die!
We are dead. Duh.
Clearly, you guys are into some heavy cosplay. Just leave you be.
Ow! Oh, yes! Shit!
Oh, no! It's all gonna get dumb again!
Update me on the Psycho Breakfast Club.
Basically, they're a blood cult, and they made a deal with the devil. And they only have 3 hours to complete the ritual.
We could hide out till sunrise.
We finish this, we have to go back down to limbo.
I love you, Cole.
Finally found my dick, Cole!
Could this night get any more erotic?
Hey, Cole.
You're my kill of the night.
I ain't get killed first. That's some post-Jordan Peele era.
Hello, it's Peter Spencer.
I'm here about selling the house. Is anyone home? Hello?
This is Detective Muldoon.
This is Peter Spencer. Something happened to me at 44 Rayburn Drive.
Someone was murdered at that house.
Why did you never go into that place?
Something never felt right about it.
Looks like we got another one.
Do you think that the body we found's related? Hello? I went to the house. Hello? Police department. I think something followed me home.
Mommy, what's going on? What's wrong?
We need to leave right now.